ang sagot ng itong si Mr. Dennis Trillo, may ABS pa ba? Pero ito lang masasabi ko, ABS-CBN is strong. The brand is strong, the management is strong, the performance is strong. Parang mas gusto to sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up.
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature. Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito? Oy mga Kuyakoy, this is your Kuya Mike, ang Kuya nyo sa Amerika, and this is For the Kuyakoy List. Bagong lahat, commercial muna tayo. Again, this is your Kuya Mike. I am the owner of two lifestyle stores and being sold on Shopify. Give you that link there, or the QR code there, and now on Etsy. And my stores are The Kuyakoy Life and The Kinder Life. Yung The Kuyakoy Life, it's Filipino themed, all original designs. And then, yung The Kinder Life is just being correct, being nice, being good. It's very heartwarming na mga themed shirts, particularly para sa mga kababayan natin here in the United States, in Canada, and in Europe. Pwede na kayong bumili dyan sa Shopify and dyan sa array ng mga sa YouTube. Nakikita nyo naman, di ba, sa ilalim ng ating video, pa-display natin ng mga shirts. So, pwede kayong pumunta dyan. It will go directly to the link to Shopify, or you can get it also from Etsy. Ano ba ang bago ngayon sa store natin? Yung mga motocross shirts. Kasi may naghahanap sa akin ng mga shirts na ganun. Very Filipino themed sa mga aficionado dyan, whether here in the United States or even there in Europe, all original shirts. Alright, so, nako, hindi ko alam kung siseryosohin ko itong pangyayaring ito. Kasi parang it's kind of weird coming from a huge star na si Dennis Trillo, na alam naman natin ay taga GMA, so Kapuso. Apparently, nagsalita or nagpatutsada sa kanyang TikTok account na kung saan ang isang, I'd like to think, isang fan at nagmamahal sa couple na ito dahil nagtatanong yung fan na ito sa TikTok kung bakit wala doon yung wife na si Jenilyn Mercado. Na alam naman natin, siya yung kauna-unahang nanalo together with Mark Heras sa Starstruck. Napanood ko yun, the whole shebang ng Starstruck. At ang sagot ng itong si Mr. Dennis Trillo, may ABS pa ba? Nagtanong uli yung fan. Or nag-comment na yung fan na ito na parang hindi maganda yung sagot, hindi maayos yung sagot. Siyempre, parang may ABS pa ba? That was very loaded na tanong, no? Na pangiinsulto sa kumpanyang ABS-CBN. And then, inulit pa uli itong ni Dennis Trillo. Ulitin ko, may ABS pa ba? Until, doon sa dulo, may nget pa, which means pangit. It's so absurd. Hindi ko alam kung tututuhanin ko to or may gumagamit ng account, na-hack yung account. In fact, nawala na yung mga deleted na itong mga comments na to. At coming from the management ni Dennis Trillo, nagsalita na hinak daw yung account. Interestingly, hindi nagsasalita si Dennis Trillo so far sa either video na para bang he got hacked, para bang lumalabas yung pangyayari kay Nico Natividad na sinasabi, in this case naman, pinatanggal yung kanyang, o dinilit yung kanyang mga pinagsasabi tungkol sa nangyari dun sa Especially For You, hindi ba? Yung parang latest na brouhaha, and it was patama against Vice Ganda na tinanggal. Pero, ang sabi ni Nico Natividad, pinaninindigan niya yung mga sinabi niya na komento about and against Vice, na pang-iinsulto, panghahamak dun sa sumali o sa searchy ng Especially for you. So in this case naman, again, wala yung mga komento rin ni Dennis Trillo, pero wala pa tayong naririnig mula kay Dennis Trillo himself na nagde-deny about sa sinabi niya, nor kay Jenilyn Mercado. Pero it was so absurd, it was so strong, walang delikadesa, which is just so wrong. Number one, kahit hindi pa pumasok si Jenilyn sa ABS-CBN roster, I don't know if you would even say that to a huge corporation na hinamak, na puwersa, na mawalan ng franchise and trying to survive. But more than that, trying to survive is flourishing still. Just in case hindi alam ni Dennis Trillo na kahit walang franchise, buhay na buhay ang ABS-CBN. In fact, yun nga, di ba? Bakit nawala si Jenilyn Mercado from the station ID na summer ID, tama ba yun? Or mid-year ID ng GMA7, bakit nawala siya? And malakas ang ugong na lilipat nga siya sa kampo ng ABS-CBN. It's not only her. Marami pa rin ang lumilipat, still wanting to risk the career with ABS-CBN na nawala ng franchise. And yet, ang lakas pa rin ng dating, ang lakas pa rin ng viewership despite na wala ngang franchise. Or even bumalik sa ABS-CBN. Case in point, Janine Gutierrez, Piolo Pascual, andun pa rin sila sa roster ng ABS-CBN. Kumikinang, malakas, creating movies, stories. Unfortunately, yung mga lumipat naman sa GMA, parang hindi ganun ka-strong mga projects in terms of viewership. So, just in case na hindi alam ni Dennis Trillo, buhay na buhay pa rin ang ABS-CBN. Malaking tulong pa rin, of course, yung mga kasama na partners with ABS-CBN from Prime, Netflix, TV5, A2Z, and of course, GMA and GTV. Pero I don't know kung gusto kong paniwalaan na kung siya talaga ang gumawa nito, which is really, alam mo, tahimik lang ito si Dennis Trillo, no? Napaka-simpleng tao sa pagkakaalam ko, pagkakakilala ko. Hindi naman siya ganun magsalita. So I'd like to think, I would still like to think that it was not him na gumawa nun. Kasi even to say nget pa or pangit to a fan, that is just below. Yun nga, sabi ng management, hindi raw siya yun, and it was hacked. Pero still, why don't we see anyone from either Jenilyn Mercado or Dennis Trillo himself na magsalita to let us know that it was not him? Marami pang mangyayari sa kwentong ito. Let's find out kung ano ang mga other developments. Pero ito lang masasabi ko, ABS-CBN is strong. The brand is strong. The management is strong. The performance is strong. Alright, so again, ito po si Kuya Mike of the Kuyakoy List. It's still a brands, branding, and shopping channel for the global Filipino. Pakilala niyo po ako still sa mga kaibigan at kamag-anak ninyo here in the United States, Canada, and even now in Europe. Subscribe sa ating channel. Hit on that notification bell. Put a thumbs up sa ating video. Still, meron pa tayong pa-membership at $199 per month for other videos. And until next time,